guys. Alright, so I'm about to prank my best friend Corey on. Alright, so here's the deal. Alright, so I just said if you win this game, we're playing NBA Live 18. I said if you win this game, you get $50. It's 2-minute quarters. Right now it's like halftime. It's gonna be a good prank, I'm telling you guys. Yeah, but just stay tuned till the end. Watch what's gonna happen. It's gonna be such a good video. I cannot wait to get his reaction. He's going to flip out. He's gonna get pissed off at me. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, I'm about to go put the camera up and just say that I'm recording it. Alright, I'm going back up. Actually, no? Yeah, I'm going back up. I don't know why I brought the camera. Alright, no, I'm just gonna record this now. Yeah, I better get that pick, bro. Better get that pick. Oh, that's what I'm saying, bro. On the road to $50. Why do you keep looking back at the camera? I thought it was off. No, it's not off. I made sure it was off. I couldn't find anything good to eat. Oh. That's off. God. Bro, you're doing pretty good, bro. I gotta admit. Like, you're up by 8, and it's up damn near the end of the third. They're down by 11 now, and it's almost going to the fourth quarter. And I'm not playing. You feeling confident? You really want this $50? Well, it's the end of the third quarter. It's the end of the third quarter. I cannot.
No, you should bring it up super close on this one.
For the fourth quarter? Nah, not yet. We're not gonna do it. We're just gonna leave it.
Just saying no. Okay. You see how I blocked, like I made it and then you got it and then I stole it and then I made it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring the camera closer. I'm gonna be holding it. Yo, he cooking, bro. He cooking. My bad. Hey, it didn't turn off. What happened? There you go. Oh, my bad. That was a PlayStation. Oh. I didn't mean to. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can tell you're trying to hold in some anger. I'm sorry. Hey, bro, I have something to tell you. Bro, I have something to tell you.
What?
It was a prank for my YouTube channel. You hear me?
Okay, fuck that.
It's a prank. Hey, bro, it's my first new YouTube. It's my first video on my new YouTube channel, bro. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Yeah. I'm sorry, bro. I'll still give you some money, though. I don't know how much I'm gonna get, though.
I felt like you did that on purpose.
I did do it on purpose.
No, like I kind of just felt because I was playing. You kept putting your feet by it, and then you didn't say, "Oops, sorry," until after you turned off the thing. But I didn't turn off yet, and it.
Is you mad? He ignoring me. Alright, y'all, that's it. I'm done. Peace.